Read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating, maintenance or safety instructions could result in serious injury. Be aware that there are two types of LED light bars. There is the upper LED light bar and the fabric LED light bar. The upper light has 28 LEDs per meter, and the fabric light has 56 LEDs per meter. Remove the movable main nozzle cover. Use a spanner number 8 and Allen key number 4. Mount the foam rubber clamps equally divided over the top crossbeam and fix them with an O-ring. Place the LED light bar in the foam rubber clamps and fix it with O-rings. Plug in the connector of the LED light. In another learning we show you how to install new cables correctly. Store the excess cable in the sleeve. Remount movable main nozzle cover. Use Allen key number 4 and spanner number 8. For the settings, see the manual in Chapter Screen Descriptions section, Fabric Lights. Thanks for watching this e-learning. Questions or remarks? Please contact us.